Imagine growing fresh, high-demand crops without soil and earning huge profits. Hydroponics is changing the way we farm, making agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and highly profitable. But not all crops are equal. Some make far more money than others. Today, we'll reveal the top 5 most profitable hydroponic plants that can make your farm a gold mine. Watch till the end, because we'll also share insider tips on where to sell and how to scale up for maximum earnings. Before we jump into the list, let's understand what makes a hydroponic crop profitable. It depends on 4 key factors: high market demand, crops that sell fast and in large quantities, fast growth rate. The quicker a plant grows, the faster you make money. High price, per kg. Premium crops fetch higher prices. Scalability. Can you expand production easily? Now that you know the secret, let's reveal the top 5 hydroponic plants that make the most money. Tomatoes, the versatile moneymaker. Tomatoes are one of the best-selling hydroponic crops worldwide. They grow incredibly well in NFT, nutrient film technique, and Dutch bucket systems. Market price, 60 to 120 rupees per kilogram. Growing time, 6 to 8 weeks. Profit potential, 5 to 10 lakhs per acre. Hydroponic tomatoes have a huge advantage. They are pesticide-free, taste fresher, and are grown year-round. Cherry tomatoes and heirloom varieties are in high demand in gourmet markets and restaurants. Basil, the herb that sells like gold. Next on our list is basil, the king of herbs. With high demand in restaurants, grocery stores, and online markets, basil is a cash crop for hydroponic farmers. Market price, 500 to 1500 rupees per kilogram. Growing time, 3 to 4 weeks. Profit potential, 8 to 12 lakhs per acre. Hydroponic basil grows 3 times faster than soil-grown basil, and because it's fresh, pesticide-free, and aromatic, customers love it. Strawberries, the sweet profit maker. Who doesn't love strawberries? In hydroponic systems, they grow bigger, sweeter, and faster compared to traditional farms. Market price, 300 to 1000 rupees per kilogram. Growing time, 4 to 6 weeks. Profit potential, 15 to 20 lakh rupees per acre. Hydroponic strawberries are perfect for vertical farming. They require less space, no soil, and minimal pesticides, making them a high-value crop for urban farmers. Lettuce, the fastest-growing green. Lettuce is the most popular hydroponic leafy green, and for a good reason. It grows extremely fast and is a staple in hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets. Market price, 100 to 300 rupees per kilogram. Growing time, 3 to 4 weeks. Profit potential, 10 to 15 lakhs per acre. Hydroponic lettuce is crispier, healthier, and pesticide-free, making it a top-selling crop in urban markets. Bell peppers, the most profitable hydroponic crop. And finally, the most profitable hydroponic crop is bell peppers. These colorful vegetables sell at premium prices and have a long shelf life. Market price, 200 to 500 rupees per kilogram. Growing time, 10 to 12 weeks. Profit potential, 20 to 30 lakhs per acre. Bell peppers thrive in Dutch bucket systems and high-tech greenhouses. They're a favorite among investors due to high demand and profit margins. Now that you know the top 5 hydroponic crops that make the most money, are you ready to start your own hydroponic farm? Want to turn your passion for hydroponics into a successful business? Join our 90-day Modern Hydroponics Certificate course. This professional certification covers everything, from setting up your hydroponic farm to growing high-value crops and making a profit. Get a professional certification, learn advanced hydroponic techniques, master NFT, DWC, and microgreens, farming, earn profits with low investment access, expert guidance, and community support. This is your chance to gain industry-recognized certification and start your own hydroponic venture. Click the link in the description and enroll today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hydroponic business tips. See you in the next video.